Hi, it's Kat from the Abbey St Albans. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking one of my most popular desserts. It's a Tonka Bean Panna Cotta. It's very important with any pastry work to be very accurate. So I'm going to throw in a little bit of sugar, add a touch of sweetness. Now for the flavor of Panna Cotta, you can use a lot of flavors. You can make pistachio, you can make a strawberry. For today, we're going to make our Tonka Bean. I'm going to grate it in 2 Tonka Beans for this recipe. You don't want to put too much. You know, it's a very subtle flavor. You get the flavor of vanilla and almond. So now, we're going to put it onto a medium heat. So grab a whisk, give it a nice little whisk. Just to make sure all the flavors are combined. Whilst that's happening, we're going to soak our gelatin in water. Obviously using gelatin makes this dessert non-vegetarian, but you can always look at other alternatives. For now, we have our gelatin sheets and we're going to soak them in cold water. It's very important to use cold water because this is activating the gelatin. Let them sit for about 5 minutes, really soften them. Now that our panna cotta has come to heat, we're going to add our gelatin. Simply grab it from the cold water and simply stir through into our panna cotta mix. Now we're going to put our panna cotta into an ice bath. The reason we're doing this is because you want your panna cotta to set with those beautiful Tonka beans all on the inside. If you pour this straight into a cup, you're going to get all the Tonka beans right at the bottom. What we want is a massive flavor insertion. So we're going to literally keep this on the ice bath, and we're going to let it cool down gradually. So once your panna cotta is almost set, you're going to give it a little good mix. We're going to place it into our cups. So we take it out of the ice, give it a good mix. I'm going to pour it into our molds. Now in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours then, but you can easily do it overnight time, set it overnight so you can have it for the next day. Okay, now we're going to present our panna cotta. So our panna cotta has been set for a few hours. They're nice and jiggly. So we're going to put it over some hot water just to loosen the mold. Now with that, you simply make a little air pocket, turn it out. Simple as that. So now we're going to garnish our panna cotta. Right now it's spring, so we have early spring strawberries. Everyone's got a different way of presenting. I like slightly abstract, so I like to put things in random places. And there you go, the finished dish.